Hello everyone and welcome to another FeedArmy video. My name is Emmanuel and today I will show you how to install Google Analytics 4 in Shopify using Google's own code. So this is not my own development, this is from Google. So first what we want to do is go and paste the code in Shopify. What we want to do is go to Settings, Customer Events, then add a custom pixel. And let's call this Google Analytics 4. I'll just put between brackets from Google and then add pixel. For the permissions, we want to set it to Analytics. For data sale, we want to select data collected does not qualify as data sale. Then we want to paste the code, and you can find it on my website in the description. There's a product landing page and then the code is there, and this is developed by Google. Then what we want to do is change the ID here. So to do that, we go to Google Analytics and we click on Admin, Data Streams, click on your data stream, and then here we can find the measurement ID. We go back to Shopify and then we replace this ID and then we click on Save, and then at the bottom we want to click on Connect. And that is it. Now Google Analytics 4 is natively installed using their own code, so it's very similar to my code. It's actually not different, but it is a direct installation instead of using Google Tag Manager, which allows you to then not worry about what's happening in Google Tag Manager and instead just have your own direct code. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment downstairs. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.